Okay, this video covers the homework from last night, practice 1A1. All right, and then the lesson, the problem-based task, and then how to start the homework. So in case you were absent or you missed something in class or you would like to rewatch it, this is the lesson to watch. Okay, rewrite each exponential as a radical. Okay, so this is an exponent. You want to write it as a radical. So the 5 is the base, the 4 is the root, all right, and then the 1 is the power. Because the power is 1, you don't even need that, okay? All right, so G is the base, 9 is the power, or the root, I'm sorry, and 2 is the power. This 2 could be inside or outside, doesn't matter, okay? Could be either one. Okay, all right, now, -10, 7, 3. Okay, now that negative could be inside or outside on that particular one. That's a long story. Okay, all right, now 4 and 5, you got to go backwards. Okay, so 20 is the base. Okay, here's the rule: power over root. Okay, 20 to the 3 over 2. All right, now this number is going to get bigger because the 3 on top is bigger, okay? R to the S over 6, okay? Evaluate. Sorry about that. All right, 5 to the, guys, you want to get a calculator that has a nice fraction button and nice options, okay? This one works a little bit better if it doesn't hit eval up there, okay? 55.9, okay? I'm actually gonna switch this, 5 to the 3 over 4, okay? 5 to the 3 over 4. 3.3, okay? Some calculators do have this button where you can put all those things in. If it does, that's fine. I just kind of think it's easier to switch it to exponent. All right, but that's okay. All right, 8's the last one. Okay, so it says, what's the population of bacteria after 4.5 hours? Okay, so all you do, F of H is hours. So how many hours? Okay, so literally you just plug in 4.5. I'm gonna go 4.5 because I don't want to use a fraction inside of an exponent. Oh, okay. So let me put that calculator back. All right. So just type it in exactly the way you see. 2 times 4 to the 4.5. Exactly the way you see it. All right. Now, it's a word question, so I need a word answer. Bacteria. Okay. All right. Now, next thing. Let's go over the notes for the day, okay? All right. A town takes a census or a count of its population every 10 years. The town uses the census to estimate the population's growth rate. The town's population is 42,000 people, and the 10-year growth rate is approximately 35%. The town's population can be estimated by, here's this formula, okay, where Y sub O is the current population and the R is the 10-year growth rate. All right, equals, okay, 1 plus R, T divided by 10. Okay, now, a couple things here. So R is your rate. Okay, so our rate is 35%, okay? 1 plus 0.35. Okay, so first of all, 35% is 0.35, okay? All right, now, the general formula, this is T up here, but this is T divided by 10 because the census is only every 10 years, but T is what how many years is it? Like 8 years. So we're not going to get to 10. So we need 8 out of the 10. Okay, so we're going to put 8 there. Now, y sub o means what is the population right now? So this answer means what is it going to be? Okay, and then y sub 0 means what is it right now? Now, why is it sub 0? Sub 0 is right now. Y1 is after 1 year. Okay, Y2 is after 2 years. Okay, and then eventually we're going to get to Y8. You're not writing all that out. Okay, but I'm just trying to show you this is what it is right now. So year 1 is what it's going to be in a year. Okay. If the population was in decline, it wouldn't be 1 plus 35, it would be 1 minus 35, but it's not in decline, okay? All right, so y equals, what is the population right now? 42,000, 1 plus 0.35 to the 8 over 10, okay? And then you just type that in your calculator, okay? So 42,000 parentheses, 1 plus 0.35, close the parenthesis, okay, raise it to the, now I'm going to use a fraction, that's why I like this calculator, 8 over 10, there you go, 5,396.9, okay, 53,000. All right, but now this is a word question, so I need a word answer. So these are people. So 53,397 people. Okay, you can't have 0.9 of a person. Okay. All right. So now the homework is similar. Let me show you that. Okay. All right. You got 2 formulas. Okay. Growth, y equals 1 plus, I messed that up. P times 1 plus r to the t, and decay, if it goes down, is y equals p1 minus r to the t. Now, p is your principal, okay? What that means is, like, you put money in the bank, this is how much you have right now. Okay, so I'm going to put now. Okay, all right, so it earns. Anything that earns goes up. Okay, so this is P1 plus R to the T. Okay, so how much money did you start with? You started with $30,000. Okay, 1 plus 3%. 3% is 0.03. You have to move it 2 decimals. Okay? So 0.03, how much we have in 5 years? Okay? Let's see here. Do you have a depreciation? Let's look at number 4, depreciation. Okay? Depreciation means it goes down. So P1 minus R to the T. Okay? So same idea, but it's good. So the answer is going to be less. 38,000, 1 minus 0.19, again, 19% is 0.19 to the 7, okay? 2 years, 30 years, 30 years. That's your homework, 1 to 8.